All right, we are heading towards a trail called Ass Over Tea Kettle, but on our way there, I thought this would be a good warm-up. This one's called 7 Up. I've done it quite a bit. Scene of the crash. Okay, here we are at the aptly known AOTK, or Over Tea Kettle. I guess that, I mean, presumably makes my head the tea kettle. I guess there is opportunity for some big air in here. Now, I'm not really a big air guy yet, but I'd like to be. So it starts by just hitting these trails the way you can and building up from there. Starts off with a rather steep descent. Gotta be really controlled on the braking and not get too overzealous on this part. Eyes in front as much as possible. I'm gonna take this line. This little launcher there. Go bigger on that one. And then, oh shoot. Yeah, I thought about this line, but darn it. Cut. Oh, this is steep. Oh, oh wow. Okay, try again. All right, that is starting to come. Oh. Whew, that is actually so fun. I gotta get back up there and try it again. Here we go, lap number 3. Not at all what I wanted to do. Lap 4. This time I won't make a stupid wrong turn. All right, here we go. A little bit afraid to pop on that one. Keep some speed around here. Whoa. Coming in. Thanks. Well, that trail's really coming along. The more I do it, the more confidence I'll have to take some of those bigger drops and jumps at some speed. I'm looking forward to seeing some progression on there this summer.